That is a trophy size.
Heck yeah, that's pretty nice. That's probably a pound.
Dude. Dude, my
I got my scale. We'll weigh that thing. I'd say it's close to a pound. This thing's 12 inches. That's awesome.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Well, there's some Bud Lights in here.
Heck yeah.
They're probably cold too.
13 inches. 13 and a half. Heck yeah. What do you think, guys? Look at them all. You see them? What do you think? It's a good one. Slab. Nice. On that, huh?
On that real follow.
Nice. Let me get you, or you want to hold it up like that? Put your other hand up there, next to it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Good size. Heck yeah. Let him go. Oh yeah, he's an eater for sure. Yeah, boy. First one's alright. Not too a little guy, but I'll take it. Oh baby. Let's get the big ones. Oh, yep, there you go. Yep. Another little guy, but I'll take it. There you go. Lighten them up right now. Nothing big yet. You got one on down there. Not a bad one. Nothing too big again. Barely got them hooked. Better one. Dark. So 12 inches though. Look, you got him? You got him. Oh, you got him that time. What? Bend the hooks open, dude. You're not in a lot of stuff. You got good pliers. You gotta get a hit there. Oh, that's a good fish, man. No? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That looked like a good fish. You got grass, I just reeled in. What? No, I'm just trying to get the camera back on. Get in here. That was way out there too. Little guy. Beautiful color though. Nice golden color, little one. Nah, might be the better of the day. Yep, same. Best one maybe of the day. Nah, probably not. I had one a little bit bigger. Another little guy. Come on, big mamas. Better than nothing. Alright, where's the big mamas at? Probably on the bottom out in the middle, but still catching. The little guy. Back to back. Little ones, but still. Man, good guy. A little one. Got 3 in a row. Biggest one of the day. Yes, sir. I mean, not big, but biggest one for me today. Good one. Right, about a 2.5 pounder, 3 pounder. Yeah, it's a buzz bait. Batteries right on the scale. That's probably a 3 pounder. Nice fat one. Oh, you're fine. Come here. There you go. Another nice one. I think I got a brand new black one of these in the truck. I think I got a brand new black one of these in the truck. If you want it. $3.14 even. The other one was every bit of 4 something. Alright, not a bad fish. 3 pounds, 14 ounces. The other one was bigger for sure. Oh, that's a good one. It's a decent one. Solid fish. Oh, mine's blue. Yours is white. Or mine's got blue in it.
Oh yeah, that'll probably be solid then.
Yeah. Alright, well, we had a couple good ones. I had 2 that were 1 at 4 and 1 just over 4, I'd say. JP had 5, I think. Not too bad ones, nothing big. A rainy morning. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Be safe out there.